this is the starting point of a global network. Every container, every ship, is a sign of a massive trade chain stretching from the east to the west of the world. A chain whose foundations were laid in 1987 by PTC GROUP. Decades of experience in the tire industry have now grown into a global network, one that is not limited to just a single type of tire. From passenger cars to heavy-duty machines, from industrial and loader tires to racing tires, we have built a complete network for the specialized distribution of all tire types.
Market research, branding, designing international campaigns. Marketing intertwines with business.
Such a massive scale of business means nothing without a precise strategy and a strong digital marketing arm. This is where data turns into decisions, and decisions turn into market opportunities.
And here, all partners and dealers are trained to ensure everything moves under control and in line with global standards.
But our business is not only distribution. We also transfer knowledge and expertise. At PTC GROUP, our partners are trained so we can be certain that standards are upheld throughout the entire tire sales network.
Since 1987, PTC GROUP has been active in the tire industry, and today our presence has become global. I am Anita Orfi, shareholder and board member of PTC GROUP in Iran and the UAE. We are established at the beating heart of regional trade, yet our operations are not limited to a single country. By relying on our strong partners across the globe, we have built a worldwide network for specialized tire marketing and sales. We don't just advertise. Here, everything moves forward based on data analysis, precise strategy, and professional execution. We help brands notice the global market, build trust, and last. This isn't just marketing. We are building a global position for brands in the tire industry. Welcome to PTC GROUP.
Brands are not just products. Brands have stories. This is where the stories of major brands such as Wakayama, Bertoni, Honmix, Rydans, Minerva, Superior, Capson, Lenzo Tires, Continental, iLink, and Happy Lead are created and introduced to the world. And this is just the beginning. We have built a space for innovation, competition, and shaping the future of the tire industry.
We create a unique identity for every brand, one that can be seen and heard in global markets. And these brands are not just names in a catalog. With our own racing cars, we have appeared on official tracks so that the brands we represent can shine in real arenas as well. PTC GROUP is more than a holding company.
The hub connecting continents, markets, and the tire industry's future.